In this number 14 we are finishing exercise problems. Why these numbers particularly I am giving you? 15 is also vector 3D assignment you are receiving. You can practice more number of problems. Same standard only. More level not necessary. Here in that continuity after 16th now symmetric form of lines 3x plus 2y plus z minus 5 x plus y minus 2z minus 3 0. He is asking symmetric form. Okay, then we select ABC or DRs. Then with this DRs, what is connection we have? 3A, 2B, C. First one will be. Same with these coefficients A, B, 2C. We have to solve two equations but three unknowns. Then what is the concept? In algebra generally we solve for number of variables equal to number of equations. Then we are happy. Three variables, three equations we need. Okay, not there. Therefore, we have to take proportional ratio like start with center. Then cross multiplication method in algebra is there. A, B, C. A by minus 4 minus 1. B by 1 plus 6. C by 3 minus 2. These are the ABC values. Easy to finish the values of ABC. Okay. When we have two equations, three unknowns, common this method. Next, we got ABC, DRs we have got to write symmetric form. What is that symmetric form meaning? X minus x1 by A, y minus y1 by B, z minus z1 by C. Then, any point we need x1, y1, z1. To get any point, substitute any one of the values as 0 so that calculation will be easy. If you take z is 0, okay, anyone you can take 0, either x 0 or y 0. Why we take z1 0, anyone means as per ABCD, all options z value 0. That z coordinate 0. That is why we, according to ABCD, I am also writing. Now, when z is 0 in this, we are reducing this into coordinate geometry. Okay, geometry, straight lines type. Then we can solve the equations for point of intersection. How to get point of intersection directly? Don't solve elimination method, multiply, divide, therefore. Direct answer you have to write. And I gave in the beginning, what is the determinants process? Both denominators the same. 3 minus 2 and here opposite sign. For x numerator, minus 6 plus 5 minus 1. For y numerator, minus 9 plus 5. Hence what is the answer? Actually minus 1, 4 and z coordinate in 3D. So we got x1, y1, z1. A which are here. Then what is symmetric form? X minus x1 by y minus y1 by z minus 0 by 1. Where is that? ABCD. Minus 5, 7, 1. Numerator we want plus 1. D correct denominator, but here just mistake minus given. Therefore, third option is correct. C. Slight variations also will be there. Here and there, plus or minuses. Checking is important. Next is Now this type of lines given. Lines are coplanar. One point right here property which is we didn't write in synopsis. Okay. What is that property here? You take two lines, any two lines. R bar is A plus TB. R bar is C plus SB. We have got two lines, means four vectors. Four vectors are coplanar. Means two lines are there. Any two lines intersecting. If and only if. ABCD vectors are coplanar. This is property. Okay. If vectors are coplanar, lines are intersecting. If lines are not intersecting, not necessarily coplanar. Why? Because diagram, now I gave intersecting now. There exists a very smallest plane in which it contains both lines. See, point of intersection belongs to the plane means two lines are there. You take however small, it contains definitely lines. Suppose they are not intersecting like this. You cannot have a plane directly. Since one plane can be here, other plane is here, not a possible. Not in the same plane, not coplanar. But this is possible. Hence, lines intersecting implies coplanar. If lines are not intersecting, not coplanar. That is our property. So, based on that here, is giving x minus 2 by 1, y minus 3 by 1 by minus k, other line. Z minus 5 by 1. Given lines are coplanar. You understand here lines coplanar, lines intersecting. Actually, straight away subject lines intersecting. So their corresponding vectors are coplanar. What is result for coplanarity in the lines x minus x1, y1, z1, x1, y1, z1. Points these are y2, z2, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. Then result is determinant of a1, b1, c1 0, a2, b2, c2 0. Determinant must be 0. That is our condition of result. Substitute values, answer on next. What is that? Values given in the first row. 1 minus 2 minus 9. 4 minus 3 1. 5 minus 4 1. 1 minus k. K to 1 0. Expand into 1 plus 2k minus 1. 1 plus k square. Quadratic. 1 into 2 minus k 0. Minus 1 minus 2k minus 1 minus k square root 2 minus k. Minus 2. Cancel. Minus 3k minus k square. K is common. Minus cancel. Either k is 0 or minus 3. He is asking k value. Must be. Because answers, both answers given now. First answer 0 minus 1. 1 minus 1. 0 minus 3. 3 minus 3. Hence C is the correct. So, after getting answers, giving answer from A, B, C, D is also one problem equally. Okay. Suddenly you can go to other random answer. While giving answer also you must be careful. Then Find the direction ratios. Same like that a 17th we solved here. DRs of x minus y plus z minus x minus 3y minus 6. Assume that DRs are ABC. From the first equation, what are the coefficients? A minus b. What is from second equation? A minus 3b. C is not there, Z is not there, 0C. Now you write ratio. Center start. Minus 1, 1, 1, minus 1. Minus 3, 0, 1, minus 3. Up, down, therefore A, B, C in the order. A by 0 plus 3. B by 1 minus 0. C by minus 3 plus 1. Answer is this. 3, 1 minus 2. First option. Or simple CET problem. Next one they will ask you from 3D chapter DRs, DCs and then angle. From vector algebra, line of plane, dot product values problems, cross product problems. In cross product we have applications more. Dot product is easy. Cross product, area of triangle, area of parallelogram, sides, diagonals in parallelogram. Then shortest distance. So here 2, 0, alpha, beta, gamma are the angles with coordinate axis with x, y, z. Okay. Cos alpha, cos beta is the same as beta, gamma is the same as 2 by 9. Both are equal. And the other one, gamma alpha, 4 by 9. Find the value of alpha plus beta plus gamma. Sum is asking. Numbers only. Where we understand that alpha, beta, gamma are direction numbers. Angles means direction numbers. Direction ratios. If you take the cosine values, then they become direction cosines, DCs. When we know the direction cosines, we have some properties. Sum of the squares is 1. That result is there. Now you see here, first, what is given first condition is 2 by 9, beta gamma 2 by 9, gamma alpha 4 by 9. Multiply all of them. Cos alpha 2 times, beta 2 times, gamma 2 times, whole square equal to 16 by 81 into 9. Then what is value? 4 by 9 into 3. Or you will get answer. To find this one, suppose if you want cos alpha, what is beta gamma value? 2 by 9. Cos alpha into 2 by 9 is 4 by 27. Direct answer only. Cos alpha is 2 cancelled, 9 cancelled. 2 by 3. Finish it. This cos alpha write down here. You will get cos beta. 2 by 3 cos beta. 2 by 9. Then cos beta. 1 by 3. This cos beta write down here. You will get cos gamma. 1 by 3. Cos gamma. 2 by 9. Then what is gamma value? 2 by 3. Substitute. He is asking sum. This plus this plus this. 2 by 3. 1 by 3. 2 by 3. 5 by 3. Answer is 5 by 3. Because denominator is same. 2, 3, 2. Enough. Third option. So these are all first models and continue assignment also, where 21 is in the physics you have in the first chapter, first year vectors. There you wrote this. If A cross B is equal to A dot B, what is the angle between the vectors? Immediately you wrote in physics, angle between they are perpendicular. A and B are perpendicular. Means angle. How do you say that it is perpendicular? What is magnitude of A cross B? Sin theta. Here cos theta. These two cancel. Sin by cos. Tan theta is 1. Theta is pi by 4. Here magnitudes are equal. Okay? Therefore not perpendicular. Vectors only if you consider it is possible. Therefore third option. Suddenly it is possible of getting answer right angle. That is not for perpendicular. Okay. Angle between them is pi by 4. Similarly, 22 also CET problem. A dot B is minus magnitude of AB. Then what is AB? What is this notation in brackets when we write it? Is notation for angle between the vectors A comma B. And it is clear definition. What is A dot B? A, B, cos theta. Simple. Cancel. Cos theta is minus 1. Theta must be 180. Cos pi 1 minus 1. 2 pi plus 1. So answer is 180 degrees. Second. Then box product to perpendicular dot product to 0. This is 0. This is okay. Angle between the vectors. Number of vectors of unit length. 2 vectors for any problem. Because perpendicular distance. Then parallelogram, sides given. Parallel. Constant force acting on a particle such that the particle is displaced from 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is work done by the force ST? Last time we did that problem. Work done is equal to F dot S. Already he gave direct force given AB, OB minus OA answer. So, simple. Parallel pipeline. Then shortest distance, now I do one problem. That is not so far. You can do this 4-0 shortest distance problem. I do one problem from second assignment for shortest distance. Okay. So, here, see, this also I will do some problems. Consider 14th assignment. First problem, A bar lies in the plane of B bar and bisects the angle. A bar is in the plane of B and C, implies that all three vectors are in the same plane, belong to same plane, coplanar, called coplanar. A bar in the plane of B and C. What is A bar here? 15th assignment, first problem. A bar alpha I 2j beta k. B bar I plus j. C bar j plus k. Then determinant must be 0. Hence alpha into 1 minus 2 into 1 minus 0. Beta into 1 minus 0 is 0. Alpha plus beta is equal to 2 is possible only in the case of alpha is 1, beta is 1 as per options. As per options only. Alpha is 1, beta is 1 because sum is 2. So, if answers they change, not only this answer, many chances are there. Alpha is 0, beta is 2. Only in the 4 limited options only we are getting answer. That is not. See, you are not giving answer only from this equation. Impossible. Infinite values we are getting. But for limited 4 answers, definitely one is possible. That is the reason in some problems purely options will give you an answer, correct answer. Okay. Now, next box product 0. Third model. B bar is given unit vector, means magnitude is 1. What is the value of A dot B into B plus B cross of A cross B? It is a triple product, vector triple product. We have already. Start with 2 second vector. B dot B into A minus B dot A into B. This is definition for cross product. 3 vectors cross product. First one is same. A dot B is same as B dot A. Equal. Cancel. B dot B is B square magnitude into A. Since B is unit vector, answer is A bar. Simple CAT. Balance. Fourth one now I will do, which is very guarantee model, so called shortest distance problem. SD between skew lines. Shortest distance. Okay. All second year outgoing people have to target yourself that entrance examinations are now announced already. Okay. Therefore, you have got sufficient time already. You have got time. Now also you have future also time is there. Plan and properly practice. Okay. That much maximum time you are getting. Shortest distance. What is the formula first? A2 minus A1 dot B1 cross B2 by magnitude of B1 cross B2, and it is positive value. That is there. Why we put, because it is distance, it must be positive value. This modulus is for positive value. This is for magnitude of vector. Now, what is A1? 622. A2 minus 40 minus 1. B1 1 minus 2 2. B2 3 minus 2 minus 2. Substitute there directly, answer only. Okay. What is A2 minus A1? Minus 10 minus 2 minus 3 dot. We need B1 cross B2. Dot. What is B1? 1 minus 2 2 cross B2 3 minus 2 by, we need B1 now. Okay, I am substituting. First, let us waste one step extra, not necessary. First, find out what is B1 cross B2, determinant value. Keep it ready, doctor. B1 cross B2 is the determinant of ijk. B1 vector 1 minus 2 2. 3 minus 2 minus 2. Simplify. I into 4 4 8. J minus 2 minus 6. Minus 2 minus 6 minus 8. K minus 2 plus 6 4. Now this I am writing there. Okay. So minus 10 comma minus 2 comma ijk components enough. 8 plus 8 4 by 64 64 16 magnitude. First multiply minus 80 minus 16 minus 12 128 144 root is 12 28 to 80 108. Important number. Nowadays season is 108. Very good number. Therefore answer is 9. Ignoring minus sign because it is modulus, and hence shortest distance must be 9. Very good. 6, 8, 12, 9. D is correct. It is all only calculation time. Subject is minimum. How minimum? When you read the statement, the formula should strike. If this formula you are absent on, you have no option. Once it strikes result, you just depend on the speed calculations only. Okay. Therefore, one shortest distance. Then any different problems in this, I just want to check. Seventh, volume of parallelepiped. So far we didn't write any problem. What is volume of parallelepiped? Box ABC and positive value. If you put 1/6 outside, that is for tetrahedron. Okay. Box ABC means determinant value. Already here vectors given. Position vector of A 2 minus 2 4. B 5 minus 4 4. C 1 minus 2 4. Expand directly determinant here only. Already wrote time waste statement. To you in the class I am writing. But in the exam when you read the question, in the question itself you find determinant. 2 into minus 16 plus 8. Minus 8 into 2 minus 16 plus 2 times 20 minus 4 16 into 2 32. 4 into minus 10 plus 4 minus 6 minus 24. 32 minus 40 6. Right. 32 minus 40 8. What is question number? 7th. 5, 10, 15, 20. 8 is not there. 2 minus 2, 4. I will see the values. 5 minus 4, 4. 1 minus 2, 4. Correct. 2 into minus 16 plus 8. Minus 8. Minus 16. 2 times 20 minus 4, 16, 32. 4 into minus 10 plus 4 minus 6. Correct. 24, 16, 40 minus 40, 32. Correct. 8. We cannot do it. As for answer, if I have any changes or there are what is number? 7. 7. B. Second answer he is getting 10 units getting 10. This is correct. Leave it. Simple determinant only. No difficult. So answer is given. 2 minus 4, 4, minus 4, 5 minus 4, 1 minus 2, 4. 2 into minus 16 plus 8, minus 8 plus 2 times 20 minus 4. 16 into 2, 32. Here I will check. 4 into minus 10 plus 4 minus 6. Correct. Finish. How many times you check? Waste. Time waste. When easy problem, chances are more for wrong answer. Okay. That is, you check it later, no problem. And more calculations here. What is angle between the vectors? It is of same model. Plane meets the coordinate axis and its centroid is given. One result I will tell you. The plane meets coordinate axis whose centroid G is given. Assume that centroid is x1, y1, z1. Then what is equation of plane direct formula? X by x1, y by y1, z by z1 equal to 3. Finish it. Then what is x1, y1, z1? This number is 9. 1, 2, 4. So x by 1, y by 2, z by 4 is 3. Take LCM. Answer is given. 4 LCM. When you take 4 LCM, 4x, 2y, z, 12. Center of the plane it is. Okay. And the remaining perpendicular plane, distance between parallel planes and sphere equation. Okay. Right angle, plane in the intersect form. And with this, you try some more problems. Overall, where you have to depend in this chapter, mainly problems of cross product crucial. Okay, cross is crucial, and the remaining things can be done easily. Before exam, just revise with that start. Okay.